Hello guys, welcome to another video on Java for Beginners. In this video, we'll discuss about the parameters for methods. So what I mean by parameters for methods are the values that can be given to a method, and that method can use these values and perform whatever its operation is. It can use this data, it can manipulate these values or do its operation using the data by whatever means, and ultimately return the result value. So the parameters for a method is always specified within the parenthesis of the method. So just like let's start over. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, let's just keep the double size as it is. Let's just make it int. Let's get rid of this as well. So parameters, you always define the parameters that a method takes between the parentheses. So here we would give the double size, the method double size, an integer parameter. So you have to specify what type of parameter or what value is it receiving from the calling method, and that's going to be int, and we say p size. It can be whatever you want, the name of the variables. So I named it p size just to specify it's a parameter size. So, and we say, and one more thing for the return statement is that you can return expressions using return statements. So you can, just because the method says double size, you can directly return p size into 2. So that will return whatever the value that's passed here, the double of that value. So how do we call this method? So we say myshirt dot double size, and within the parentheses we pass whatever the value we want. We can say 4. So what this function does is it multiplies the given size. So the value 4 is copied to the variable p size before it can before it can enter into this code block. Then it takes the value that's given to the parameter and then doubles it and returns that value. So as I said, remember that return can be used to return expressions as well. So here we return double size, and it's always a good idea to get that value. We get that value into a variable. Again, we can say net size equals myshirt.double size. We can print out that value, net size, and we can run the program. Okay, that gives us 8. So the value that we passed here as the parameter for the method double size is 4. That value is copied into the variable, whichever is specified as a parameter in the function or the method definition, and that variable or that value can be used within the function, and the operation can be done. So similarly, we can also pass the value of the already present size. So we can directly pass the size of my shirt. Everything's one and the same, but the general syntax that needs to be followed is if you declare a parameter as a particular type, here the p size of integer type, then you only have to pass the parameter whatever it is, but it should be an integer. So size, but before that you have to set the size to 10 maybe this time. It gives 20. So that's all about the parameters. You can have as many number of parameters you want, and you can separate them using commas. You can take a float value, you can just f size or whatever. You can have as many number of parameters you want, but whenever you call that function, make sure you have the same number of parameters, and now it should work fine. Here it gives 20 again, just because we haven't used the value FSI inside here, you can also use that value to create or do any operations you want. So that's it. That's all about the parameters for methods. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about getters and setters. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel.